let us start the session. Today we are going to start the revision number 1 of chapter number 1, real numbers. So let us discuss about the types of questions. ध्यान से देखो. First type of question, first is fundamental theorem of arithmetic. जो first exercise है Euclid division of lemma, that has been removed for this academic year. And the second type of question is irrationality of a number. And the third type of question is decimal expansion. Only these three types of questions are there, and the weightage of this chapter is 6 marks for board exam. So this is very scoring chapter. And fundamental theorem of arithmetic में क्या क्या पढ़ना है देखो. To express numbers in prime factors, to find HCF and LCM, and questions based on HCF and LCM. HCF into LCM is equals to product of two numbers, and word problems, and some additional problems that I will tell you which type of question will come under this one. Now next is irrationality of a number. Proof of root n type question. Root 2, root 3, root 5, okay, root 7. And second one, proof of combination of rational and irrational type question. For example, 3 plus 2 root 5, एक क्वेश्चन था ना, 3 plus 2 root 5 या 2 plus 5 root 3 या 2 minus 5 root 3 या 2 upon root 5 या 2 upon root 3, like that questions will come under this type of question. Next type जो है, that is proof of root a plus minus root b. ये भी क्वेश्चन मैंने करवाया था, root over 2 plus root 3, root 2 plus root 3 or root 3 plus root 5. Now let us move toward decimal expansion. The first type of question is to write the condition for decimal expansion, to be terminating, to be non-terminating, repeating. Next one, to check the type of decimal expansion, okay. And the last one is to write the number of decimal places in terminating decimal expansion. So these are different types of questions. Today I will take up this topic. ये वाला topic आज मैं complete करूँगा revision. So let us start with the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. So just now I told these are the different types of questions. ठीक है, इसमें ये वाला पार्ट पूरा नहीं कर पाएंगे क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा टॉपिक है ये. सो वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स ऑन HCF में भी कुछ टिप्स थे, जो 3 टिप्स थे मैंने बताया था जो रेगुलर क्लास में. सो इसमें हम लोग पूरा नहीं कर पाएंगे शायद, आज एक ही टिप करेंगे एंड द रिमेनिंग 2 टिप्स विल डिस्कस इन नेक्स्ट क्लास. So let us start with the first question, to express number in prime factors. उससे पहले let us see the definition, the statement of fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Every composite number can be expressed as a product of primes, and this prime factorization is unique apart from the order in which the prime factors occur. I will take an example. Suppose 30 का prime factor 2, 3, 5 ही होगा. And this prime factorization is unique. Unique means इसके अलावा कोई दूसरा नंबर नहीं होगा, 7 नहीं हो सकता है. और apart from the order means वो किसी भी ऑर्डर में लिखा हो सकता है. See, I wrote 2 into 3 into 5. I can write in this order also. I can write in this order also. And you can write 5 into 3 into 2 also. So that means the order is not important, only the prime factor is important. Is that clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now see one small example. Express 156 as a product of its prime. चलो प्राइम फैक्टर 156 का निकाल रहा हूं मैं एक्सेल शीट में. सबसे पहले इसको डिवाइड करेंगे. विल डिवाइड इट बाय 2, विल गेट 78. Then again we'll divide it by 2, we'll get 39. Again we'll divide it by 3, so we'll get 13. ठीक है, so we'll get this one. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, so 156 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 13. So 2 into 2 दो बार 2 आया, so 2 square into 3 into 13. This is the prime factorization of 156. Any doubt? So first topic is over. Now let us move towards the second topic, that is to find the HCF and LCM. So HCF क्या है? Product of the smallest power of each common factor, prime factor. So दोनों नंबर का जो कॉमन प्राइम फैक्टर है उसका सबसे छोटा पावर लेना है, जितने भी कॉमन फैक्टर्स प्राइम फैक्टर्स हैं उनका प्रोडक्ट HCF होगा. नेक्स्ट LCM, the product of the greatest power of each prime factor involved in the numbers. So जितने भी प्राइम फैक्टर्स उसमें होंगे वो सबका सब लेना है और उसके हाईएस्ट पावर लेना है. So let us see one example. 126, 156. Already we did the factorization of 156. It is with us. Now we are going to do the prime factorization of 126. We'll divide it by 2. 63 आ गया. फिर 3 से डिवाइड करेंगे 21. फिर हम लोग फिर से 3 से डिवाइड करेंगे 7 आ गया. ओके, सो ये तो 126 का है अभी जो किए, और 156 अभी किए थे इससे पहले. नाउ विल राइट द प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन. फर्स्ट 126, 2 into 3 into 3 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7, that is 2 into 3 square into 7. Next 156, 2 into 2 into 3 into 13, so 2 square into 3 into 13. So what is the common prime factor here? You tell me only common prime factor.
2
or 3. ठीक है. So what is the least power of 2? 1. What is the least power of 3? 1. Okay, so that is what HCF is, the the product of the least power, smallest power of each common prime factor, that is 2 and 3. So we'll get 2 to the power 1 into 3 to the power 1, that is 2 into 3 is equals to 6. So 6 is the HCF. Now LCM में जितने भी प्राइम फैक्टर्स इन्वॉल्व हो रहे हैं इसमें कौन कौन से प्राइम फैक्टर्स है देखो. 2 है, 3 है, 7 है और 13 है. उसके सारे हाईएस्ट पावर्स लिखने हैं. सो व्हाट इज द हाईएस्ट पावर ऑफ 2?
2.
व्हाट इज द हाईएस्ट पावर ऑफ 3? 2. व्हाट इज द हाईएस्ट पावर ऑफ 7? 1. व्हाट इज द हाईएस्ट पावर ऑफ 13?
1.
ओके, उन सबका प्रोडक्ट. So 4 into 9 into 7 into 13, if you multiply you will get the answer 3276 is the required LCM. Any doubt in this question?
No sir.
No sir.
Okay, we'll see one more example. Find the HCF and LCM of 612 and 1314 using prime factorization. Okay, so 612 का प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन कर रहे हैं हम लोग. सो पहले 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे. ओके, 306 आ गया. फिर 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे 153. फिर किससे डिवाइड हो रहा है ये? 3. राइट. 51 फिर किससे डिवाइड हो रहा है? 3 से. 17 प्राइम नंबर है, रुक जाएंगे. नेक्स्ट नंबर जो है, व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट नंबर? 1314. सो 1314. सो 2 से डिवाइड किए, उसके बाद फिर 3 से डिवाइड करेंगे. अगेन इट इज डिविजिबल बाय 3. नाउ 73 इज अ प्राइम नंबर, सो विल स्टॉप हियर. Okay, 73 is a prime number, will stop here. And now let us draw this prime factorization here. First one 612 का, फिर 1314. अब इसको यहाँ पे लिख रहे हैं देखो. 2 का पावर यहाँ पे 2 आया, 3 का पावर भी 2 आएगा इंटू 17. एंड इसमें 2 एक ही बार है और 3 यहाँ पर 2 बार है. सो 3 स्क्वायर. Now HCF. HCF is the product of smallest power of all the common prime factors. So here what is the common prime factors? What are the common prime factors? 2
2,
2
3,
and 2
and 2 and 3 only. 2 and 3 only. So what is the least power, smallest power of 2?
1
What is the
1
smallest power of 3?
2
2. So HCF is equals to 2 into 3 square. कितना होगा?
18
18. Right. So 18 is the answer. Now we have to find the LCM. So LCM में सारे prime factors जो है वो involved हैं, उसको लिखना है 2, 3, 17 and 73. So highest power of 2 is 2, highest power of 3 is 2, highest power of 17 is 1, and highest power of 73 is also 1. So we'll write 4, 9, 17, 73. So in सबको product करोगे तो you will get the answer 44,676. If you remember, this question I have given in Google form. Okay. Next question. अब 3 numbers का HCF और LCM. So we'll go for again prime factorization. सबसे पहले हम लोग 108 कर लेते हैं. 2 से डिवाइड किए 54. अगेन विल डिवाइडेड बाई 2, 27, फिर 3, again 3. So we got 108. Next prime factorization 120. 2 से डिवाइड किए, फिर 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे, फिर 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे, फिर लास्ट में हम लोग 3 से डिवाइड करेंगे. ओके. सो ये वाला प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन आ गया, सेकेंड वाला. सिमिलरली वी विल डू द प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन ऑफ द थर्ड वन. थर्ड वन क्या है इसमें? 252. 2 से डिवाइड किए, फिर 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे, फिर 3 से, फिर 3 से, एंड वी गॉट द प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन. सो ये समझ में आ रहा है प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन?
Yes, sir.
ओके. सो अब यहाँ पे वही रिजल्ट को मैं डिस्प्ले कर रहा हूँ. फर्स्ट 108, सेकेंड 120, थर्ड 252. राइट. उसको यहाँ पे लिखेंगे. 108 वी कैन राइट 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 3. 120 we can write 2 to the power 3 into 3 into 5, and 252 we can write 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 2 into 7. So that I am going to write. Okay. So any doubt in this step?
No, sir.
Okay. Now what are the common prime factors of 3? पूरे तीनों में देखना है. Common prime factor पूछ रहा हूँ मैं. 2 and 3. Okay. So what is the least power of 2?
2.
2. Right. What is the least power of 3?
1
1. Very good. So HCF is equals to 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 1. So what is the product?
12
12. Right. So we got the HCF. अब LCM में सारे प्राइम फैक्टर्स लिखना है विथ हाईएस्ट पावर. सो LCM में क्या करना है हम लोग को? We have to write all the prime factors involved with highest power. So what is the highest power of 2? 3.
3.
What is the highest power of 3?
3
And the highest power of 5 is 1 and 7 is 1. So the product of all this, this will become 8, this will become 27, 5 into 7. The final answer is 7,560. This is the LCM. LCM आ गया 7,560 and HCF is 12. Now next topic पे जा रहा हूँ मैं. That is very important property. Product of two given numbers is equals to product of HCF and LCM. That is, if suppose two numbers are given A and B. So A into B is equals to HCF of AB into HCF of LCM of AB. And this rule is only for two numbers, not for three numbers. Is that clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let us see one example. Suppose HCF of two number is given 23 and LCM is given 1449. If one number is given 161, we have to find the other number. So first we will write the formula. This is the formula. A into B is equals to HCF into LCM. Now we'll substitute HCF and LCM, that is 23 into 1449. और यहाँ पे एक नंबर हम लोग सब्सटीट्यूट कर देंगे 161. So A को ले लेंगे 161, B we will find it, and HCF or LCM already given. So 161 into B is equals to 23 into 1449. So 161 नीचे आ जाएगा, डिवाइड करेंगे. Okay, so what will be the answer? ये 23 से कैंसिल हो रहा है.
207.
7 will get 7. If we cancel 161 by 23 will get 7. फिर ये 7 से कैंसिल हो रहा है, 207. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Next question, next one more example we'll take. Given that HCF of 252 594 is 18 and we need to find LCM. So what you can write, what is the formula of LCM in terms of product of two numbers? What will be the formula for LCM? Anish,
Yes, sir.
what is the formula for LCM in terms of product of two numbers?
LCM into HCF is equals to product of two numbers.
Okay, so what will be LCM?
LCM
Product of two numbers divided by
Yes,
HCF.
right. Product of two numbers divided by HCF, right. So now we are going to substitute product and HCF. Product of two number means 252 into 594 upon 18. ये 18 से कैंसिल हो रहा है, देखो 18 14 आ रहा है, 14, right. So 594 into 14 is 8316. So this is the required LCM. Any doubt in this type of question?
No, sir.
Okay, so we'll move towards next question. So LCM यहाँ पे निकल गया. Next question पे आ जाओ. This is additional question जो मैंने बताया था ना, extra question. So एक composite number वाला question है और दूसरा question है 4 to the power n, 6 to the power n, that question. So what is composite number? The number which has more than two factors. Exactly two factors जो होता है उसको prime number बोलते हैं. So जिस number का prime factor जो है दो से ज़्यादा होता है, not only not required that prime factor बोले, composite number has more than two factors. For example, not prime factors, factors की बात कर रहा हूँ. 6 के कितने factors हैं? 1 है, 2 है, 3 है, 6 itself. Okay, so that means 4 factors. So 6 is a composite number. और composite number को अगर हम लोग two different number के product में अगर लिख रहे हैं, जैसे 2 into 3, अभी 6 को लिखा, that means this is a composite number. If I will write in terms of the product of any two numbers, any two different numbers, then that is a composite number. इतना सिर्फ काफ़ी है प्रूफ करने के लिए कि वो composite number है. So let us start with the first question. First question में हम लोग 13 common लेंगे. If we take 13 common, here only 5 into 11 will left and here 1 will be left. So 5 into 11 will become 55 plus 1 will become 56. So इसको लिख सकते हैं 13 into 56. Now just now I told you that अगर हम लोग दो अलग अलग नंबर के प्रोडक्ट में अगर हम लोग रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं किसी भी नंबर को, so that will enough to show that it is a composite number. So what we will write, clearly it shows that the given number has more than two factors, hence it is a composite number. Any doubt in this first bit?
No, sir.
Okay, Now let us see the second bit. 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5. इसमें 5 कॉमन है, सेम नंबर है, उसको हम लोग बाहर निकाल लेंगे. So if you take 5 common, we'll get 6 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. This is the first term, and second term is 1. So what is the product of these numbers? ये सबको ऐड करने से कितना मिलेगा, मल्टीप्लाई करने से?
144.
Yes, 144 plus 1, 145. Again, see, we represented that this number in the as a product of two different numbers. That means this number also has more than two factors. Hence, it is a composite number. Is that clear to all of you?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we will move towards another type of question, which is show that any number of the form 6 to the power n, where n belongs to capital N set of natural number, can never end with the digit 0. ये जो symbol है ये belongs to है. इसको how will you read? Small n belongs to capital N. Capital N means it is a natural number. Okay. ये वाला क्वेश्चन 4 टू द पावर n भी मैं करवाया था, 12 टू द पावर n वाला भी करवाया हूं मैं. So 6 to the power n, you can write in this form. If 6 to the power n ends with 0, then it must have 5 as a factor. Okay? इसमें 5 factor होना चाहिए. Next, but 6 to the power n, 6 to the power n, we can write 2 into 3 to the power n, that is 2 to the power n into 3 to the power n, which shows that 2 and 3 are only the prime factors of 6 to the power n. Right? And we know that the number which end with 0, it must have two prime factors. कौन-कौन से? 2 and 5. Okay? So यहाँ पर हम लोग क्या देख रहे हैं कि 5 is not a factor of 6 to the power n. So ये मैं additional लिखा हूँ, ये लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है, ऑलरेडी यहाँ पर हम लोग बता चुके हैं, ये बताने के लिए मैं लिखा हूँ. Also the number end with digit 0 must have two prime factors, that is 2 and 5. Okay, so hence 6 to the power n can never end with the digit 0. इसको कुछ बच्चे ऐसा भी लिखे हैं जो जब एग्जाम में आया था सीबीएसई में, 6 to the power 1, 6, 6 to the power 2, कितना है 6 to the power 2? 36, 6 to the power 3, जल्दी बोलो, 6 to the power 3, 216, 6 to the power 4, 1296, and dot dot dot. So what we are observing, the number in the form of 6 to the power n ends with the digit 6 only. So एक बच्चे ने ऐसा भी लिखा था, तो that is also correct, ऐसा भी प्रूफ कर सकते हैं हम लोग. Okay, so any doubt in this question?
No, sir. No, sir.
No.
Okay, now let us move towards the next topic, that is word problems based on LCM and HCF. So before that, let us understand what is LCM and what is HCF. LCM और HCF के actual उसमें होता क्या है? So first LCM, least common multiple, or it is called LCM. It is that smallest number which is completely divisible by a given set of numbers. So let us see one example. 30. 30 is the smallest number which completely divisible by 5 also, 10 also, and 15 also. So hence it is a LCM of 5, 10 and 15. So यहाँ पे what we are observing, that one number is divisible by many number. Do you observe? One number, that is 30, is divisible by many number, 5, 10, 15. Now let us see What about HCF? HCF is the highest common factor, which is also called HCF, is that highest number or the largest number that completely divides a set of given number, जो numbers को divide करता है. So take an example. 25 divides these numbers. 6 set of numbers. A set of 6 numbers. Or there is no number greater than 25 divides all these numbers. So that is why 25 is the HCF of this number. So what we are observing, many numbers are divisible by one number. So अभी जो टिप्स मैं बताने जा रहा हूं उसमें एक सिचुएशन ऐसा भी आएगा कि एक नंबर, when one number is divisible by many number, you have to find LCM. When many number is divisible by one number, you have to find HCF. Okay, so any doubt in this statements, definitions or concepts?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, so let us discuss about tips to identify LCM and HCF. So first tip देखो, definition. Based on definition, हम लोग को प्रायोरिटी बेसिस पे फर्स्ट टिप ही देखना है, डेफिनेशन पे देखना है. So just now I told you that when one number is divisible by many number, what you have to find? Priyanshi, when one number is divisible by many number, what you have to find?
LCM.
LCM, right. And when many number is divisible by one number, Akifa?
HCF, sir.
Right, HCF. So this is the first tip you have to keep in your mind. Now let us see the second tip. Second tip, कभी कभी क्वेश्चन में कोई वर्ड्स रहता है, लार्जेस्ट, स्मॉलेस्ट, मिनिमम, मैक्सिमम, उसके बेसिस पे भी हम लोग डिसाइड करते हैं. बट अगर ये वाला टिप 1 उसमें डिविजिबल वर्ड उसमें अगर क्वेश्चन में है तो टिप 1 चेक करना है. राइट, डिविजिबल वर्ड अगर क्वेश्चन में है तो यू हैव टू चेक फॉर टिप 1. If there is no divisible word is there, you have to go for tip 2. देखो, if the question has words like least, minimum, smallest, then you have to find LCM. If the question has a word like maximum, greatest, largest, biggest, then you have to find HCF. चलो ये भी नहीं दिया और ये भी नहीं दिया है, दोनों नहीं दिया है. There is no divisible word, no these words, then we have to go for tip number 3. टिप नंबर 3 में क्योंकि हम लोग जब क्वेश्चन पढ़ते हैं तो ये समझ में आ जाता है कि एक्सपेक्टेड वैल्यू ज़्यादा होगा कि कम होगा. सो अगर एक्सपेक्टेड वैल्यू दिए हुए नंबर से ज़्यादा है, इफ द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्सपेक्टेड वैल्यू इज मोर देन द गिवन सेट ऑफ नंबर्स, then you have to find LCM. See, if the resultant number means जो आंसर आ सकता है is expected to be greater than the given numbers, then we have to find LCM. Okay, and if the expected value is lesser than the given numbers, then we have to find HCF. I will give one example also, don't worry. And today we will discuss about tip 1, and in the next revision class we will discuss about tip 2 and 3. Okay, so let us see one question based on tip number 1. I told whenever divisible word is there, you have to go for tip 1. टिप 1 में ही देखना है, वर्ड नहीं देखना है. ग्रेटेस्ट, स्मॉलेस्ट, उसको देख के फिर टेम्प्ट नहीं होना है कि HCF निकालना है, LCM निकालना है. Whenever divisible word is there, you have to go for tip number 1. So what you have to find actually, यहाँ पर ध्यान से देखो, greatest number of 4 digit divisible, exactly divisible by many numbers. मतलब one number is divisible by many number, then what you have to find? LCM, right? So LCM के लिए मैं अब इसको फैक्टराइज कर रहा हूँ. 15 को लिख सकते हैं 3 into 5. 24 8 into 3 होता है, so 2 to the power 3 into 3. 36 4 into 9, so 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 2. So LCM is the product of all the prime factors involved with highest power. So इसमें 2 3 5 involved है. What is the highest power of 2? 3.
3.
What is the highest power of 3?
2.
2. So LCM is equals to 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 2 into 5 to the power 1. So 8 into 9 into 5. So ये हो जाएगा 8 into 5 40 into 9 360. अब greatest number, greatest 4 digit number कितना होता है? What is the greatest 4 digit number?
999.
So greatest 4 digit number is 9999. Now what we will do, we will divide this greatest 4 digit number by LCM. So division देख लो एक मिनट, मैं राइट साइड में कर रहा हूँ. So 27 से डिवाइड किए 2 से डिवाइड किए पहले 720, अगेन 2799, फिर 7 से डिवाइड किए, तो फाइनली वी गॉट द रिमाइंडर 279. अगर 9999 को 360 से डिवाइड कर रहे हैं, सो वी आर गेटिंग रिमाइंडर 279. फिर 279 इसमें से माइनस करना है. What you got? 9720. So this is the greatest number which is divisible by 15, 24, 36. Clear है?
Yes, sir.
Okay. अब इसमें स्टूडेंट लोग कैसे मिस्टेक करते हैं? अभी मैंने बताया था ग्रेटेस्ट, हाईएस्ट, मैक्सिमम, बिगेस्ट वर्ड रहेगा तो HCF निकालना है. तो यहाँ पे ग्रेटेस्ट वर्ड देख के बहुत सारे बच्चे क्या करते हैं, इसका HCF निकाल के छोड़ देते हैं. सो इसलिए मैं जो पिछले अभी जो 3 टिप बताया हूँ, फर्स्ट अगर डिविजिबल वर्ड है, सो डोंट सी एनी अदर वर्ड्स, you have to check for tip number 1, our tip number 1, that if one number is divisible by many number, then LCM, you have to find LCM. If many number is divisible by one number, then you have to find HCF. So we'll see one more example. Now see, find the largest number which divides these two numbers, लिविंग रिमाइंडर 6 इन ईच केस. अभी रिमाइंडर को बाद में देखो, अभी एक नंबर जो ये दोनों को डिवाइड कर रहा है, मींस दिस टू नंबर्स आर डिविजिबल बाय वन नंबर. सो दिस इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ मेनी नंबर डिविजिबल बाय वन नंबर. सो व्हाट यू हैव टू फाइंड?
HCF.
ओके, सो ये क्वेश्चन HCF का, ये दिमाग में रखना. सो अब रिमाइंडर पे आ जाओ. लिविंग रिमाइंडर 6. सो व्हाट वी विल डू, वी विल सबट्रैक्ट 6 फ्रॉम दिस टू नंबर्स. Clear? So we need to deduct the remainder 6 from both the numbers, that is 438, 606. So इसमें से 6 माइनस करेंगे तो कितना मिलेगा?
432.
And what about this?
600.
Right. So 432 और 600 का हम लोग क्या निकालेंगे?
HCF.
HCF. Right. So we'll factorize 432. So यहाँ पे निकाल लेते हैं 432, फिर 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे 108 आ गया, फिर 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे 54 आ गया, फिर 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे 27 आ गया, एक मिनट और नीचे जाएगा ये. सो अब 3 से डिवाइड करेंगे, फिर 3 से डिवाइड करेंगे. सो हाउ मेनी 2s आर देयर?
4.
And how many 3? 3. Right. So पहले हम लोग 432 को लिख लेते हैं. सो 2 यहाँ पे 4 है और 3 यहाँ पर 3 है. So 2 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 3. Now we are going to find 600. 600 यहाँ पे निकाल लेते हैं. 2 से, फिर 2 से 75, राइट, यहाँ तक तो सही है. सो अब हम लोग क्या करेंगे, यहाँ पे एक बार 5 से डिवाइड कर लेते हैं. ओके, सो हाउ मेनी 2s आर देयर? 3 एक है और 5 2 है, राइट. सो प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन ऑफ 600 इज 2 3 है, 3 1 है और 5 2 है. So 2 to the power 3 into 3 into 5 to the power 2. Now we have to find HCF. So HCF is the product of the lowest power of all the common prime factors. So what are the common prime factors here?
2 and 3.
Right, 2 and 3. So 2 का lowest power
3.
and 3 का lowest power 1. Right. So HCF of these two number is 8 into 3, that is equals to 24. So hence the largest number is 24, that divides 438 and 606, leaving remainder 6. So this is the last question of today's session, and in the next session we will revise, we will take up this tip number 2 and tip number 3 based questions, and these are the assignment questions you have to complete, and you have to send me through Google Classroom, okay, not WhatsApp. So this is HCF and LCM. You have to find 2 numbers and 3 numbers, HCF and LCM. These 2 are questions based on HCF into LCM is equals to product of 2 numbers, and these 2 questions are based on tip number 1. Okay, so that's all for today's session. Thank you very much. Any doubt in today's session?
No, sir.
Monday maths का exam है, that is why tomorrow I will plan to take extra class, okay, and I will let you know tomorrow about the pattern of the exam, okay.